Are you ready for this?
I'm ready, man. I'm excited.
Me too.
I'm excited for this trip. It's going to be for a great cause.
We have very exciting news. Muhammad and I have teamed up with Human Appeal USA for this Ramadan to raise awareness for the ongoing crisis in Gaza.
As you all know, thousands of our brothers and sisters in Gaza have lost everything from their homes, their houses, their hospitals, schools, and even their loved ones. Our goal is to bring as much awareness and help raise funds for the people in need in Gaza, especially in this holy month of Ramadan.
And as you can see, we're very excited for this mission. And one of the reasons is because we get the opportunity to travel to Saudi Arabia with Human Appeal USA. And we'll be visiting their warehouse where they're preparing and packing meats and meals to be sent off to the people in Gaza.
Inshallah. And we're also so excited because we're going to be able to bring our baby Adam with us. This is the first mission trip.
As a family.
As a family. And something me and Omaya always talk about is we want Adam to see charity work, to see khair at such a young age so he could grow up wanting to be a part of this. So it's going to be amazing. Yeah, and here's the thing. Would he know what's going on completely? No, but memories last. So inshallah, we want to document this whole process for you guys so we can also show you where your money's going. Inshallah, we're going to be documenting the whole journey for you so you can see where your donations go and the whole process like Omaya just talked about with the warehouse and our point of view as well. It's going to be a learning experience for us. And at the same time, we want to ask questions, find out a little bit more about the program and how we can help the people in Gaza further, not just in Ramadan, but even after Ramadan, inshallah.
Yes, exactly. This is very important. That although we are raising money for this month of Ramadan, we also want to encourage you guys to also donate after Ramadan because not only do they need help at this moment, they also need help afterwards.
Any amount counts. Collectively, inshallah, it's going to the same goal. So whatever you can donate, don't hesitate. Inshallah,
just think about it.
For a great cause.
Exactly. If you think like, oh, all I have is $5 or $10, we have $5 or $10 more than we did, a couple of minutes ago. So truly, anything you're able to give will make a real difference. We are going there to show you guys the amazing work that Human Appeal USA is doing. But your donations is actually what will make the real difference, if I'm being honest.
And if you want to follow along even closer, we're going to be posting daily on our stories on Instagram and TikTok. And we're going to also be leaving the link below here in the video so you can access the link quickly.
Yeah, so we are really excited for this opportunity. We actually leave tomorrow. I know this sounds crazy, but it just happened this way and wanted to jump in on this amazing opportunity. So we have to stop talking and start packing because we're leaving mañana, inshallah.
I don't even know where to start. I haven't even dressed up to go in. This is how I dress to do everything.
You look fine. You look fine.
I can't go like this.
No, you can't go like this. Oh, where's the awesome package you just got yesterday?
Ooh.
With your thobes. Maybe we can bring 1 or 2 with us.
I actually hid it from Adam.
Yeah. I hide my packages from Adam too. I actually just got this in today. Maybe I should just open it now.
With those.
You go first. Well, let me see what you got.
So I got my thobes from Essence.
Which, by the way, guys, this is very exciting because Muhammad, as you can see, is really tall, mashallah. So he, unfortunately, cannot just go to a store and buy thobes that fit him. Instead, he has to get them custom made in order to fit his height.
And I'm also on the bigger side.
He's been eating good, mashallah. This company, Essence, is one of the very few who actually custom makes thobes for
caters for big and tall.
Yeah, caters for big and tall.
So
you got a lot.
Yeah, I got a lot.
This is amazing, Mo.
So I just need to see.
Oh, this is so great.
To do.
Okay, guys. So this is from a fellow content creator, and come here.
Okay.
Come here. Very honest. When I open this,
doesn't
it smell
it smells good.
It smells so good.
It smells like a nice hotel.
Right?
Yeah. Just put on my thobe. She didn't even notice because of the smell.
So no, but I'm just so surprised. I've never opened a package that smelled this good.
What's in it?
I don't know, but wait. I'm really taking this in. I'm so excited.
It smells good.
So this is the brand.
Let me move out the
And her clothes is just so stunning. Like, look at that dress. Beautifully designed. Also, I love that the packaging is not boring. Like, yellow? I'm a fan. So far, I'm a fan. Oh, she sent me the dress. This dress. Thank you so much. It feels so good. Oh, wait. No, never mind. It's not that dress. It's a prayer dress, which is even better because I needed a new one. I was... What?
You're just excited.
She's just really excited. Yeah. I mean, I love this color. First, Mo, touch it.
No, I did.
Touch it.
It
smells so good. Yes. Thank you so much, Manan. Really nice. Thank you. I am so happy. Oh my God. I don't even want to wash this. Is it bad if I don't wash it?
Well, it smells good. You don't have to wash it right now.
Because it smells so good. Usually I wash everything that's new that I get in. No, I don't. I don't watch everything. But I watch most things. But this smells too good. I don't feel like washing it. Oh, I'm so sorry.
No.
I'm supposed to show what you're wearing?
No.
But I'm just really excited right now.
Hey, man, it's for a good cause. You're wearing prayer clothes.
Okay, same. Smells so good. Oh, she left me a note. I hope you're alive. So Daria went to say.
Oh, this is more like my stuff, though.
Thank you so much, Manan.
I think this is more me.
No, it's not for you.
This is baked goods. Oh, mine is not good at reading, man.
Yo, what?
It's some cookies.
I love, like, if I was excited before, now I'm extra excited.
Oh, you don't even know what you...
Can you tell if I'm fasting, guys? Okay, so the funny thing is, on her story, she was eating these cookies. So I messaged her and I said something like, those cookies look fire. And then she said, give me your address. I was like, all right, here's my address, hoping that she would send me cookies, right? And she did. She sent me cookies, and I'm so happy.
How many cookies?
All right, Mo. Sorry. Let's go back to you.
No, it doesn't matter now. Amazing. It's so nice. I just, how does it fit? Because your boy needs to drop some of that LBS. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, Mo. Back a little bit. Back. All right. Ooh, it's too bright. Okay. So length is on point. Sleeves.
Look,
could do a little more work. But this is Muhammad's fault. It's not their fault.
It's my fault also for not probably specifying the exact measurements of my sleeves.
Yeah.
Here's the thing. My arm length is more of like a 6'11", 7-footer's wingspan, right?
MashaAllah.
So, alhamdulillah. But it's longer, like pretty much people my height at 6'7". This is their wingspan slightly smaller. So this is kind of what I've been dealing with all my life.
Yeah, but I mean, it doesn't look bad.
It doesn't, right?
I actually like this right here, this white light.
Stop. Haram.
No, Mo, it looks good. It looks good. I like it.
Got pockets?
It got pockets? Oh, that's an extra plus.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's good. I like it. Ooh.
Oh, Salah's this way?
Okay, try the other one. Okay.
You sure Salah's that way? Because I already prayed.
Wait. Look that way.
Is this how hijabis feel when you guys do this?
No, that's really cool. I like it. Very nice. Very nice, brother.
Thank you.
I like the look. Couldn't resist and I had to try this on. Mo! Okay, go down. We don't both fit. Okay, there you go.
No, it's nice.
You know what I just realized is that we don't have snacks for Adam when we go to the airplane. So we're going to put this on pause, head to the grocery store, get him a few snacks, and then just pack later at night. Yes, 1 and 1. Let's go. We're now looking for snacks to bring with us to the airplane.
Yes. I don't know if we're going to have any luck. Oh.
Turkish Delight. Interesting.
No, not for Adam.
Not for Adam.
You can't even chew that.
Nutella, too much sugar. Oh, Milano. These are really good. But I don't know about that. Ooh, this looks good. Whatever this is. But if it has gelatin, then we can't get it. Does it have gelatin?
It has. No, it doesn't.
We got the yogurt and the snacks on lock.
Yep.
And now we're gonna go get something to eat.
Yes, we need to break our
fast
here in the next 5 minutes. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Time is flying by.
Some coffee too.
But before we get food, we're gonna stop to get coffee.
Hey, what's going on? Can I get 2 iced vanilla lattes, please? Regular size?
2 regular size vanilla lattes?
Yes, please.
Sir?
No, that's it.
Perfect.
Fabricio?
Yes, sir.
What's up, brother? How are you, man?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. That's for you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, man. I'll see you again, man.
Oh my god,
Take
it
care,
looks
bro.
so good. It passes the color test. We are done packing.
Yes,
Yay!
alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. So, I didn't get to record much since we got home because we were busy between Muhammad doing laundry and me looking for our clothes and packing everything, just helping each other out with this, especially because it was last minute. We weren't as prepared, but alhamdulillah, we got it done.
Alhamdulillah. I'm just looking forward to everything for this trip, inshallah. Good thing is we're not traveling early in the morning. We're actually traveling in the afternoon.
Alhamdulillah.
So we're going to be able to rest, or actually until Adam wakes us up. So
8 a.m. on the dot.
yeah, it doesn't fail.
And it is 3:47 a.m. at the moment. So we may not get that much sleep, but at least we're done with packing, which is, you know, like the hardest part, at least for me. Especially with a toddler, just bringing extra clothes and just extra diaper and extra everything just in case, right? But most importantly, we're very happy about this journey we're going to take. We're happy to bring you guys along with us and together make an impactful change.
Inshallah. Inshallah. Like I mentioned before, we're going to be posting daily on our Instagram and our TikTok. So keep up with us there, as well as we're going to be posting like Omaya's regular times here, Mondays and Fridays on YouTube. We're going to do our best to stick to those times even when we're traveling.
Inshallah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on Friday.
Inshallah.
Salam.
Salam.